Video 7, Workplan. In this video, you'll learn how to manage Workplan. Workplan is a sort of calendar where you can overview A. The scenes with already a shooting day associated. B. Public events you have created and assigned a specific date, for example costume rehearsal day, with an actor, or a department meeting. C. Private events that only you can see, for example a personal appointment with production members. There are two Workplan available. The first Workplan is a general one and you can view it in Dashboard screen. Dashboard is the screen you visualize at the beginning, just after you log in, and you can find General Workplan just underneath of your project titles list. In this Workplan are included all events and shooting dates of all of your projects. For this reason, when you go over the event with your mouse, each event is identifiable with a tooltip displaying the correspondent project title. Tooltip is a common graphical user interface element in which, when hovering over a screen element or component, a text box displays information about that element. You can also click on the event and a pop-up appears with the details of the event as follow. Project title. Date of the event. Description of the event. Scene number. Now press OK button to go back to Workplan. The Workplan in Dashboard is not manageable. To manage your Workplan, you need to select and enter in one of your project title. Once you are inside of one of your project from main top menu, click on Workplan. Okay, let's see how to manage your project Workplan. On the left on side, you will see a field called Add Event and a thick box called Private Event. This will let you create private events that only you can see in your Workplan. For example, a personal reminder of an appointment with your tailoring laboratory. Remember to tick the box Private Event and click on Add to Workplan button to add your event in Workplan. In the meantime, if you need to set an appointment that involves your team and collaborators, for example a department meeting, you can create your public event, unticking the box Private Event and clicking on Add to Workplan button. We will see in the next video how to invite collaborators to your project and how to define specific roles for each of them. Below the Add Event section, you will see all the scenes that are still without a shooting date. Obviously scenes are considered public events and all team and collaborators can view them. Now, once you have confirmation of scene shooting dates, you can simply drag and drop each scene in the correspondent day of shooting. In case you need to have one scene shot in more than one day, you can extend that scene dragging the event link. To do this, you have to position your mouse in the bottom right corner of your event. Once you see an arrow pointing on the right, drag the event to the right as long as you need. Events are also easily draggable from one date to another date. In case you have a cancellation to a shooting date to be determined, the only way to cancel is going to Scenes list and with pencil icon tool just delete that shooting date. If you now go back to Workplan, you'll see that your scene with no shooting date is back in the left on-side column with all other scenes without shooting dates. Please note that you can synchronize this calendar with your local calendar. To do this, click on Add Calendar drop-down menu on top left of Workplan screen, choose your preferred local calendar, and then click on the events you like to include in your local calendar. Last thing, on the top right, you can set a monthly, weekly, or daily overview of your Workplan, and on top left of the Workplan, you can find the arrows to quick navigate between months, weeks or days, depend on which overview period you are previously set. In the next video, we will show you how to invite collaborators and team members, and how to assign different roles level to them. Thank you for watching Ready4Set video tutorial. See you at the next video.